Hi everyone, it's Phil from LearnWire, and today on AppSumo we are going to check out AiTable.ai. When you're managing big projects, you need tools that have a lot of wiggle room. But because so many tools on the market are stubbornly inflexible, you end up managing projects and customer data with patchwork solutions. Wish there was one platform that uses AI to build the kind of databases you need to support all your tasks and customer relationships? Meet AiTable.ai. Create Chat GPT powered chatbots and AI agents trained on company data for customer support, sales, and internal operations. Build spreadsheet databases to manage projects and keep track of customer relationships. Best for customer support, project managers, and sales managers. Integrations: Make, Slack, Wix, WordPress, and Zapier. AiTable.ai is an AI-powered platform that lets you build powerful database apps for better project management and CRMs. You can create and edit databases with an AI-powered platform that feels like a souped-up Excel spreadsheet. AiTable.ai lets you manage projects and customer relationships with ease, thanks to column type-like assignees, deadlines, and categories. Upload multimedia files and documents, including product images, contract PDFs, meeting videos, and other important attachments. Plus, you'll get access to Kanban boards, Gantt charts, galleries, and a visual dashboard that lets you customize without breaking a sweat. AiTable.ai can turn any datasheet into an online form, allowing you to gather info from your leads and customers. Share forms using URLs with custom permissions, like requiring a login and limiting the number of submissions. Even cooler, this platform can connect a shareable QR code to any form, so you'll be able to collect data at an in-person event. Streamline tasks with AiTable.ai's automation and set triggers for immediate Slack or email updates on form submissions. This tool also integrates with Zapier, Make, and Active Pieces, making it easy to build custom automations for over 6,000 apps. You'll even be able to plug the platform into your current workflow and take a bunch of repetitive tasks off your plate. Okay, AiTable.ai is 85% off today, so you get it for $69. Has 70 reviews since January, so that is definitely kicking off. And features included in all plans: unlimited dashboards, unlimited records per space, 50,000 records per data sheet. They are also offering a 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you. Okay, for the Tier 1 for $69, you get all the features that we listed above: unlimited seats, 50 file nodes, 5 AI agents, 1,000 message credits per month, 1,000 total automations per month, 20 gigabytes of total attachment storage, 20,000 total API requests per month, 1 cloud business plan space. And for $129, Tier 2, you get all the features listed above: unlimited seats, 100 file nodes, data sheets, forms, dashboards, etc., 10 AI agents, 2,000 message credits per month, 10,000 total automations per month, 100 gigabytes of total storage, 50,000 total API requests per month, and 1 cloud business plan space. Okay, so let's take a look at the traffic it's been generating. So for the last 6 months, from November 2023 to April 2024, it looks like it's averaging about 50,000 hits a day for its website. So definitely an established company. From the founders: at AiTable.ai, we're driven by mission to empower 1 billion humans with AI capabilities by providing a powerful but easy-to-use tool for everyone. Okay, so we pretty much know what the software is, what it's claiming to be. Let's see if it can pick up what it's putting down by taking it for a test run. Okay, so here you have the project name, the project manager, the project phase, the start date, the end date, the categories that you have it listed in. Up top, you have insert a record. You can hide fields. You can filter fields. You have your groups. You can sort by fields, the row height, You can share it by the link, email, and so forth. You can find within the page, the cell, the sheet itself. Copilot, Form, Mira, API, Widget, Automation, and your Advanced tab. Up top, you have a Gantt chart. Okay, and the Gantt chart, it gives you a visual representation of the project's timeline and the tasks using horizontal bars as you see here. It's a common tool in project management. It helps teams understand what needs to be done, who's doing what, and when. Gantt charts also show relationships between tasks and, let's say, milestones, as well as dependencies and durations and such. Okay, and inside the Gantt chart, you can see the project phase planning. Down below, you can see the project phase execution, and then the project phase closure. If you double click on one of them, it should bring you to a more detailed pop-up window, giving you a start date and an end date, and the day you had edited the record. You can also add different views. So click up here at the add view, and then here you can add the gallery view. Okay, now you can click on, let's say, project lighting, and that'll bring up a different selection for it. And here you have the project manager you can assign to it. Let's do Walter Solchek. Here the project phase, the execution, start date, and so forth, the category for software development. Down here you can see more associated tasks, what tasks are completed, which ones are repossessed, which ones are in progress. So it gives a good bit of information. Okay, and you can also add, let's go ahead and add Kanban. Okay, and Kanban view is a card-based visualization tool that helps project managers track tasks and progress and opportunities and so forth. I think that the Kanban is the most helpful in prioritizing tasks and balancing demands. You can easily just resort however way you'd like to look at it, and you can easily just add a new task. Let's try this one. We'll put drywall in here. Easy as that, and there we are. Drywall pops up here. So the most common views would be grid, Gantt chart, gallery, and Kanban. You can also add calendar if you'd like as well. Okay, next we want to check out is form and create one. In order to create a form, we need to upload, import a data sheet. So let's go ahead and do that. And I already have one created called contact data inquiries. You just drag and drop it. And here I have about 20 inquiries already loaded in. And so from here, you just want to go over after you have it loaded up, go over and click on form. And let's rename our form to contact inquiries. And so it changes here. And in my data sheet, I have first name, a row that says first name, a row that has last name, a row to email, gender, and inquiry. So let's go ahead and fill out the form. Anybody who's a fan of The Big Lebowski will understand that reference. Okay. And after you fill it out the form, let's go ahead and test it out. It should populate into our data sheet that we have on AI. Okay, I have to hit submit. So you can see here now it was added as Walter Subcheck, and all the information was loaded, and so was the inquiry question. So pretty cool, pretty fast, pretty robust. You can also take this link, and obviously you can load it, embed it into your website, into your WordPress. You can also easily click share, and it'll create a public link for you. And then you can just copy this, put it up into your address bar. It'll load up, and then you can test it out from there, or just add the link to wherever you would have, even on emails and so forth. You can also easily add a logo image by clicking on Add Logo. Select the image, click a light bulb, open, confirm. Okay, and let's go ahead and try out an automation by clicking on Automation, Add New Automation, and let's add a trigger. When the form is submitted, what will happen? Let's go ahead and select the form, contact inquiries, which we just imported. Now we'll add an action, and we'll have it send an email So over here what pops up is the send emails. When the automation starts working, it will automatically send a message to your specified mails. So here you just set that up with your email of your choosing, the subject you like put in the subject line, obviously fill out your account and so forth, or what email you'd like to set up. And over here let's add another action. You can send to Slack. And over here you have send a message to Slack. When the automation starts working, it will automatically send a message to your Slack channel. Let's try and add an AI chatbot by clicking the add up here on the left. Go down to new AI agent. Hello there, your AI agent is ready to roll, but first let's set the stage with some initial configurations. Please choose the type of AI agent you'd like to create, a chat agent or a QA agent. Let's go ahead and choose chat agent. Welcome aboard. I'm all set and ready to chat with you. Let's have some great conversations. All right, let's ask it how many projects do I have for this week. Let's ask another question. Okay, how much software is in development? Let's try another question. How many goals will be completed by the year's end? All right, pretty straightforward. Let's ask another question. Tell me about Abby Simmons. This is an employee at the company. Abby Simmons is a project manager in our team. She is responsible for overseeing multiple projects and ensuring their successful completion. She is known for her strong organizational skills and attention to detail. All good information to know. Okay, and let's see what happens here when we hit publish. Okay, people who obtain this link on the internet can also have a conversation with the chat assistant. Copy the link, or you can embed it into your website. And let's open up another tab. All right, pretty cool. Open up externally. Okay, so AiTable has a very friendly user interface. It's fast. It has a multitude of options. Anyone familiar with Excel should easily be able to utilize it and utilize it well. Even with my own limited knowledge of Excel, I was able to generate forms and analyzations and get a chatbot going with no coding involved. You can streamline projects, boost sales with better customer relations. For its lowest tier price of $69, I think it's an absolute bargain. If you have a small business or a large business, it definitely is an enhancement, if not a fundamental need, to have software. I give it 4 out of 5 stars. The link to this software is provided below. Thanks for watching this video review. I'm Phil with LearnWire. Until next time.